Here we go, HOBBYBOX604, back with another group break. This is group break number 526. Trilogy time. Different years of Trilogy. So we're going to go from the oldest to newest. We'll go with 1314 first. And our first box is 245. Good luck. Good luck, guys.
Come on, Morgan Raleigh.
St. Louis. 3 packs. Oh. There you go. Okay. Pack 1. We start with our first rookie autograph for the New Jersey Devils, Stéphane Matteau. To $6.99. Stéphane Matteau. Is that a random? Yes, we have our first random. Triple jersey, Dougie Hamilton, Jamie Oleksiak, Justin Schultz, Edmonton, Dallas, and Boston. Randomized between those 3. And we have, for the New York Rangers, pucks of Mark Stahl. Oh, nice. Oh, never mind. I thought it was level 3. Level 2 for the Edmonton Oilers, a rookie autograph, Justin Schultz, 340 of 399.
Level 3 will be...
For the Montreal Canadiens, sorry, forgot to show the base. For the Montreal Canadiens, crystals of Guy Lafleur. Level 3 would be 49.
Yeah.
For the Pittsburgh Penguins, autograph, Jarome Iginla. Pittsburgh Penguins, autograph, Jarome Iginla. Pittsburgh is Zach P. And the last box. Come on, Tarasenko. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, a rookie level 1, Bo Bennett. This is what Trilogy used to look like in 13-14. See how many hits it has? Another random. For the Ducks, Scott Niedermayer, Ryan Getzlaf, and Ricard Raquel. Star Spotlight. And that should be our crystal ice script. And it is for the St. Louis Blues, ice scripts, Jaden Schwartz. Second box, 13-14 is 022. And I like the fact that it was mini boxes. His Pittsburgh stuff there, Chad? Probably didn't sign his cup stuff. Base. It is Crystal for the Ottawa Senators, Erik Karlsson. For the Buffalo Sabres, rookie level 1 to 699, Mikhail Grigorenko. Is he still with the Sabres?
No, he's co-order.
Nail Yakupov. This thing would have been going like this back then. 390 of 699 for the Edmonton Oilers, Nail Yakupov. It's still a yak. And he's back. So hopefully he will be what he's supposed to be. For the Florida Panthers, a rookie level 2, Quentin Howden. Hopefully, I'm hoping he does. We have another, nope, Detroit Red Wings, Star Spotlight, Zetterberg, Lidstrom, and Johan Franzen. And the redemption is for the puck. Let's see, it is puck signatures, Tyler Seguin. That should be, I think, Boston. I'll double check. Tyler Seguin. Even though it's 2015, you still have 1 year. So I'll check for that, but I am pretty sure it is Boston. It's Boston. Can you grab these for me? Last pack of 13-14 Trilogy. And it's dual. I saw it. Nice. For the Vancouver Canucks, Corey Schneider and Zach Kassian, clear-cut combos.
None of them play.
None of them are there, but it's a nice looking card. I had this card. I think I still have it. Nice looking card for sure. Vancouver is Jean-Francois. So far, Jean-Francois is killing it. For the Dallas Stars, a rookie level 2 to 399, Jamie Oleksiak. And the last one is a triple jersey for Dallas as well. Mike Modano, Jamie Benn, and Jamie Oleksiak. We are now to 14-15 Trilogy, and it is box number 965. Quality decreasing as we go by, guys. Warning. Pack 1, 14-15, is a Crystal Premier for the Boston Bruins, Alexander Kuklachev. Yeah, he is. Kassian is with the Oilers now. For the Columbus Blue Jackets, to 53 to 212, Boone Jenner.
Is he even playing for them now?
For the Edmonton Oilers, 7 to 799, Oscar Klefbom. Kassian? Yeah, he was called up. Our first autograph is for the Columbus Blue Jackets to 399, Marco Dano. Is that our puck? It is our first triptychs for the New Jersey Devils, Corey Schneider. For the New York Islanders, John Tavares to 400. For the Nashville Predators to 499, Carl Yarncroc. Huh?
Radiance blue.
Radiance Blue. Dr. Lee said that. For the Washington Capitals to 61, Nicholas Backstrom. And the last one should be a triptych. It is our puck, probably. And it is Redemption. It is Trilogy signature pucks, no numbering, for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Oli Mata. Oli Mata for the Penguins. Okay, we're going to stop the video. We'll be back with part 2 with the last 3 boxes. Thank you.